5 minus 5 which equals 0. Here is also 5 minus 5 which is 0. Then 0 times 0 which gives us 0. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority, work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction. Okay? In this expression, one subtraction here, one multiplication, and one subtraction. Okay? Therefore, multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. Therefore, we have to multiply these numbers first. Therefore, 5 times 5 which gives us 25. Then 5 minus 25 minus 5. And here is also, there is only one operation which is subtraction. So, if there is only one operation in the expression, we need to work from left to right. First, we have to subtract this number and next this one, okay? Therefore, 5 minus 25, which gives us negative 20 minus 5. Then negative 20 minus 5, which gives us negative 25. This is the correct answer of this problem, okay? The correct answer is negative 25.